Hey everyone, this is Eric with CA Technologies. I'm going to give you a quick video on our new product, which is a quick detach sway bar end link for the front of your Can-Am X3. We have two different models of the links. We have a link that looks just like this. It is a female chromoly half-inch heim and a male chromoly half-inch heim, nylon raced with a stainless jamb nut. And those are what makes up the links for your 64-inch model. Now, for the 72-inch machines, we have a longer link that we're able to run. It's a little bit more stylish. We have a 6061 Billet Aluminum link bar that has been black anodized, laser engraved. Really nice piece. Runs the same heims as the 64-inch model does. It runs two male heims instead of one male, one female. Stainless jamb nuts. Really nice piece. On our quick detach system, what really makes this system work, and it works well, is the actual pins that we have come up with to work for these machines. So this pin consists of just a small stainless pin here. You have two flats on either side of the pin here that you can see, and that helps you to hold on to the pin whenever you're tightening up in the machine. We have two different pin styles. One is a short shank and one is long. Because the sway bar and the A-arm take two different pins. So basically, you will, when your pin is installed in the machine here, you want to hook your link to it, you'll slide the link up on it, and you will wait for it to snap on, just like this. When you're ready to detach it, which is here, you will just press that mechanism down, just like that, and you'll push it out, and you'll detach. So, when they're on the machine, it looks just like this. And there it's installed. And when you get ready to install it, you just push the little locking mechanism in on both links, slide it off, and throw it in a storage bin. The same thing applies with the long links for the 72-inch machine. 72-inch machine, install them in the bottom, install it in the top, slide it on, and it's locked and ready to go. When you're ready to remove it, press the button, pull the link off, throw it in the box. You're ready to ride. No pins to keep up with, nothing complicated, very simple, all stainless, no chance of rust or corrosion, anything like that. They should be here for a very, very long time. We will have installation videos available as well. Those can be looked at on YouTube. If anybody has any questions, please make sure to email us through the website. You can give us a call. You can message us on Facebook. We will try our best to respond to everybody. Like I said, answer any questions that anyone may have. It's simply really straightforward. It's easy to do, and in all reality, you could do the whole thing. It's a little bit harder because you got to move the sway bar and get it lined up. And basically, I have to do that because I had the long links on before. So let's see if you can. Yeah, you can actually do it. So you could do it with one hand. So it makes it even that much easier. And so we'll press that mechanism, the locking mechanism, in on the back, and see if I can. Yep. So there it is. Very, very simple. When you're done, you can swing the sway bar up out of the way on the 72-inch models, or you can swing it down out of the way on the 64-inch models. Do not swing it down on the 72-inch models. Only on the 64s for clearance reasons. Make sure and just swing it up on the 72-inch models. All right. Thank you for watching.